Okay, I bet that. Well, I mean, next time you're gonna take a...
Wait. Is this your car?
Yeah, I was gonna say, next time you're gonna take a picture of my car, you gotta
no.
ask, you know what I'm saying? Be a little bit respectful.
I mean, maybe you can get my number.
Maybe I could?
Yeah.
Why, what's up?
I like your car, and maybe...
I like your abs. You got something nice, I got something nice. Think about it. I think we go out.
Put 2 and 2 together.
2 and 2 together. I like that. So hear me out. What are you trying to do then? You didn't like my McDonald's day idea, so what do you want?
Maybe not McDonald's.
Maybe not McDonald's. What type of girl are you?
We can go
Pasta?
somewhere nice.
Steak? What do you like?